everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your relationship coach businesses. For example, you are a relationship coach and you got many queries from your clients regarding the relationship tips, booking a session as well as coaching packages. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your clients send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your relationship coach businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of relationship coach business. Hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of LoveSpark, your partner in building stronger relationship. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is coaching packages, relationship tips and book session. If I'll click on coaching packages, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the packages they are providing to their clients. If I'll click on relationship tips, then it will respond to me like this while sending me some relationship tips. If I'll click on book a session, see, the bot will respond to me like this. Thank you for choosing to book a coaching session with us. A member of our team will reach out shortly to discuss your needs, available time slot. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our clients automatically instantly. If you want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your relationship coach businesses, then you have to follow the step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. Let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. It will also solve your problems. Here we also provide a video of how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside a Pabbly Chatflow. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the activities, events, action or task you have occurred within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, in where you can manage your accounts, team members, integrations, API keys, etc. And the last one is the get help, where you can tell us about your problems and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this flow button. See, this is the page where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our relationship coach business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate a specific behavior or feature in your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your clients that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of relationship coach. Now I want to add one welcome message for my client. For this, I am clicking on this text button. It will provide me one message box where I can write my message. Here I write it, while at the end of this message, I'll ask my clients to how can I assist you today. So for answering this, I am providing some buttons to them. For this, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as coaching packages. The second button I'll write as relationship tips. And the third button I'll write as book session. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my clients wants to know about the coaching packages that I am providing to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am taking another text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and entering the details regarding the coaching packages that I am providing to them. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the circle which are present in front of coaching packages to the message I write it here. It is connected. Now if my client wants to know about some relationship tips, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this again I am taking one text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and entering some relationship tips for my clients. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of relationship tips to the message I write it here. It is connected. Now, if my clients wants to book a session in my relationship coach business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am again taking another text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and entering the booking session details in my relationship coach business. Here I write it, while in this sentence I used this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to my client's WhatsApp account in the bold format. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book session to the message I wrote the details. Here it is connected. Our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your relationship coach business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, Save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically, instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Relationship Coach Business. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Love Spark, your partner in building stronger relationships. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is coaching packages, relationship tips and book session that we were written here. See, coaching packages, relationship tips, book session. If I'll click on coaching packages, then it will provide me all the packages they are offering to their customer that we were written here. See, if I'll click on book session, then it will respond to me like this, that thank you for choosing to book a coaching session with us. If I'll click on relationship tips, then it will provide me some relationship tips. So basically this is how your chatbot will work, and this is how your bot will respond to your clients automatically, instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your relationship coach businesses. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.